back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're one of the ones that clicked on the video and decided to stick around and subscribe, well then thank you so much for all your support. I really appreciate it. And if you want to be a part of the Time with April family, then go ahead and hit that subscriber button and don't forget the notification bell. Every time I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. So you guys, if you've been clicking around these YouTube streets as far as eating plans and diet goes, you will probably notice that the most popular eating plan on YouTube is the keto diet. And for 3 weeks now, I've transitioned my diet plans towards the more keto diet, and I gotta say I'm really enjoying it. At first I wasn't really sure about it, but after being on it for about 3 weeks, I've lost probably a little over 5 pounds, and so I'm really enjoying it. And so I'm gonna start incorporating some keto friendly recipes on my channel. It's not gonna be strictly keto, but I will integrate some keto recipes on my channel, and I will get into more detail about that in a later video. If you definitely want to hear about it, please leave it in the comment section down below. But that's what I'm doing right now. And so today I'm gonna present to you a keto friendly chili, and I think it's perfect because now that fall is here, it's getting cool. I usually put like a soup recipe around this time of year, so I think it would be a perfect time to add a keto friendly chili. It's really delicious, and if you want to see how to make it, then just keep watching. So for the meat I'm going to start off with a pound of ground beef, and I'm also going to chop up some turkey sausage. Then I'm going to add a 15-ounce can of fire roasted tomatoes, a cup and a half of beef broth, and a small can of jalapenos. I'm also going to chop half an onion. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of paprika, also some Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, 1 bay leaf, and what I believe is the key to a delicious chili, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. Now over medium heat, I'm going to heat up a little bit of olive oil, probably around a tablespoon, and I'm going to go ahead and saute my onions. So I'm going to cook them for about 5 minutes until they're soft and translucent. So now that my onions are all cooked, I'm ready to add in all of my ground beef, and I'm just going to go ahead and stir this up and cook it until it's nice and golden brown. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my turkey sausage, and the sausage is pretty much cooked already, but it's going to continue to warm up and soak up all that delicious flavor as the chili cooks on. Now it's time to add in all this amazing flavor. I'm going to start off with the garlic powder and now the chili powder. Here's the paprika. You can also use smoked paprika. And here's the dried oregano. Here's the cumin. And the secret to great chili is the unsweetened cocoa powder and the Worcestershire sauce. And I know I'm not saying that right. And of course the Himalayan pink salt and the black pepper. Now before I add in the rest of the ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and give it a big stir. So I'm ready to add in my can of fire roasted tomatoes. And I'm going to go ahead and add my can of beef broth, which comes to about a cup and a half. And so I'm going to give it another big stir, and you guys, this is when you're going to really smell the chili really come to life. And now I'm just going to add in some jalapenos. You can add as much as you like, and to top it off I'm going to add 1 dried bay leaf. So now I'm just going to let this simmer for about an hour, and all those delicious flavors are going to come together and create one delicious pot of chili. Now after an hour, this is what your chili is going to look like, and before you serve it up, you definitely want to take out the bay leaf. And now that the chili is ready, I'm going to give myself a couple of big spoonfuls. It's nice and hot, and I'm telling you, it smells delicious. And the best thing about keto is that you can enjoy it with some cheese and some chopped green onions and some sour cream. And that's it, you guys, we're all done. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it, and that will help me out a whole lot. And if you're on the keto diet, let me know. And if you try this recipe, let me know in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see another video, then go ahead and click that box you see on the screen. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you next time in my next video. Bye-bye.